Tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him. Tell him the truth. Tell him the truth. Tell him the truth, the truth, the truth, the truth. Tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him the truth. Tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him the truth. Tell him, 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 tell him the
Tell them we're the original. Tell them we're the eternal. Tell them we're the stars and the moon. Yeah, you feel like now. Tell them we never bow down. Tell them we never burn out. Tell them we go run this town. No man was returning for na get a book of sin. No man has a visit, I'm gonna get a situation. Hands in a peso. Can't do anything, yeah. Tell them, tell them, tell them, tell them. Yeah.
just tell them the
The truth is that Africa really needs to rise. We've been through so many difficult times. The times when we felt like we were inferior. Now the times when we need to rise and feel superior. That's just the truth. We were reduced, and when we were way back and put ourselves way back below. When we supposed to be in a higher place, and then we breathe. That's just the truth.
Truth is you're a God, made in His image, not made to pillage, made to envision what light is in darkness, blackness, African.